안녕하세요, Aeri'sKitchen 친구분들. Today we will turn this Korean radish into 3 different Korean side dishes that are easy to make and vegetarian friendly. For the first side, we will make a stir-fried Korean radish side called MuNaMul. So peel the skin off the Korean radish mu and remove any bad parts. Cut the radish into thin strips like this. Heat the pan with the cooking oil and then add the radish. Fry it for 5 minutes on medium-high. After 5 minutes, add the water and cook it covered for 5 more minutes. Add the minced garlic and the salt, and then fry it for about 10 minutes on medium-high. When the radish is almost cooked, add the sesame oil and the finely chopped green onions. Fry 1 more minute and turn off the heat. Garnish with some black sesame seed or just regular sesame seed, and you can keep this in the refrigerator and serve it whenever you eat a Korean meal. For the next side, we will make this spicy and savory radish side called MuJoRim. Cut the Korean radish into rectangular pieces like this. To make the savory sauce, put the soup soy sauce, the hot pepper powder, sugar, the minced garlic, minced ginger, Korean plum extract, the fish sauce into a bowl. Mix everything together. You can use sugar instead of plum extract and salt or soy sauce instead of the fish sauce. Place the radish into a pot, then pour the sauce over the radish. To use up all the remaining sauce in the bowl, pour the water in the bowl like this and then pour the water into the pot. Cook it covered for about 20 minutes on medium-high. Meanwhile, chop the green onions and the hot pepper thinly. After 20 minutes, the broth should almost be gone like this. If a chopstick or fork goes into the radish smoothly like this, your radish is done cooking. Finally, add the chopped green onions and hot pepper and sprinkle the sesame seed over it. Cook 2 more minutes and then it is done. This dish is also good both cold and hot, so store it in the refrigerator and serve anytime you want. For the last side, you will learn how to make this delicious Korean radish jeon called Mujan. Here I have both daikon and Korean radishes, and you can see the differences by just looking at them, right? So among them, I will use daikon radish for this jeon today. So slice it into about 1/4 inch thick pieces, and if you want to use Korean radish, you can cut the radish into half moon shapes like this. In the boiling water, add the salt to season the radish, and put the radish slices into the boiling water. Bring it back to a boil and then cook them for about 1 minute on high. After 1 minute, take out the radish from the water and let them cool for a while. Combine the flour, the salt, and the water. To make crispy jeon, I recommend you use either Korean pancake mix, 부침가루, or frying mix, 튀김가루. However, if you only have normal wheat flour, it is fine to use it too. Mix it all together. The consistency will be runny like this. Dip the cooked radish into the batter to cover it evenly. Put the radish pieces in a heated pan with a generous amount of cooking oil. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then flip it over and fry the other side for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high. When both sides become golden brown and crispy, they are done. You can serve these with a tasty soy dipping sauce. So I will add the recipe for the sauce in the description box below this video. Korean radish is such a great vegetable ingredient to use for a meal because it is very healthy and cheap. I bet you will love the tasty flavor too. So please try these Korean radish side dish recipes someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your food pictures. Eddie's Kitchen's tips. Radish is one of the vegetables that you can store for quite a long time. So wrap your radish with a newspaper or paper like this, and you can keep it in the refrigerator for over a month. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.